And then after statistics production plan, you go to aggregate production plan. After aggregate production plan,
Master production schedule.
so you have the primary, okay, so you have master production schedule. And then you have 1 and 2, the primary and final, because in the master production schedule we went to a process. Everything there went to a process. So, and then after that, after the master production schedule went to a process, and then you put output, production, into output control, production activity control, operation sequence. So if you put them all together, it's what you say. Okay, so we'll pick up from there. We put that to